Welcome back to ScoreMaestro. This tutorial will show you how to create, save, and use your own annotations for each of your music scores. To start annotating a music score, tap it on your score selection screen. ScoreMaestro will display the title page of the music score you selected. Tap the markup pencil to create an annotation of that score that you can start marking up. A pop-up box will prompt you to enter a name for your annotation. You should also orient your tablet so that the display is either portrait or landscape. Next, press the note size button in the pop-up box to select one of the three available note sizes. Another pop-up box will then allow you to select your preferred note size. The following three screenshots show how "Comfort Ye My People" looks in each note size. This is the large note size. This is the medium note size. And this is the small note size. After you tap OK on the note size selection pop-up box and the annotation name pop-up box, ScoreMaestro will open the new annotation for you to start marking. The note size and orientation you chose will be locked in for this annotation, but you can always create a new annotation for the same music score using a different note size, orientation, and name. When you are done marking, you can save your annotated music score by pressing the Save icon. A pop-up box will prompt you to save the annotation. You can save it under its current name or enter a new name. To exit the annotation, tap the Options bar tab. This will bring up the Options bar. Tap the Return arrow to exit the annotation and return to the score selection screen. After you have exited your new score annotation, it will appear on the score selection screen. You can open it later, either to add and change markings or to use it in reading mode during a performance. When you tap an annotation on the score selection screen, it will open in reading mode, meaning that you cannot add markups to it. The markup pencil will have a no sign over it. If you want to add or change markings, tap on the markup pencil to switch to annotation mode. ScoreMaestro Tutorial 4 shows you how to use all the annotation icons in the action bar. If you want to use your score annotation in reading mode, you can navigate through it in several ways. You can page forwards and backwards by either swiping the screen or tapping the previous page and next page arrows. You can also jump to the next or the previous bookmark by tapping the previous bookmark and next bookmark icons. ScoreMaestro Tutorial 4 shows you how to set bookmarks. You can create as many annotations as you like for any of the music scores that you purchased. You can also use the unmarked music score without annotation. To open an unmarked music score, tap it on the score selection screen. ScoreMaestro will display the title page of the music score you selected. You can page forwards and backwards by either swiping the screen or tapping the previous page and next page arrows. You can also use the Go To icon to jump to a selected measure as described in Tutorial 4. You can display your score in portrait or landscape mode by simply rotating your tablet. You can also select one of three note sizes for the score display. To do so, start by tapping the Options bar tab. Next, tap the menu icon on the Options bar. Next, tap Select My Note Size on the menu. This will open the note size selection box. Remember, when you are using an unmarked music score, you can change its orientation and note size as often as you want. This completes Tutorial 3, Creating and Using Annotations. The next tutorial will show how to mark up your annotations.